Meaning of fog light.
Fog light.
Fog light.
Fog light.
Fog light. A fog light is an automotive lighting accessory that is used to enhance visibility during foggy, misty, or other low visibility weather conditions. These lights are typically mounted low on the front bumper or grille of a vehicle and project a wide, flat beam of light that is aimed at the road surface. The primary purpose of fog lights is to help drivers see the edges of the road more clearly and avoid obstacles in low visibility conditions. They can also improve a driver's ability to see other vehicles and pedestrians in such conditions.